Good afternoon, guys. This time I'm going to show you about uh, how to load a loadicator, the procedure, or just an example, just to give you have an idea on how to use the loadicator. But it's sad to say that my program for the loadicator for a capesize vessel is corrupt, meaning it will not open. But anyway, I will just give you an example or a procedure on how to load a loadicator. Okay, I hope you bear with me and hope you will have an idea on how to load the loadicator. Firstly, uh, we'll go to the loading sequence. Okay, this is the loading sequence. It's loading in Dampier, Australia, and discharge in Gwangyang, South Korea. Okay, and the cargo is iron ore, and the maximum sailing draft is 18.23. The total cargo is 206,200 metric tons. And this is the hold wise. Number one is loading about 22,350. Number two is 24,500. And number three is 21,000. And number four is 25,500. Take note of number 5, he has less cargo of 16,550 because uh, of the bending moments, stress bending moments. And the number 6 is 18,500, and number 7 is 28,400, and number 8 is 20,400. The number 9 is 29,400. Take note, guys, this loading sequence is based on the loadicator. So in each sequence, if you put cargo in each hold, this is the cargo hold, then he will show you the shearing force and bending moments. Like for example, if you load 9,500 in hold number 6, and the bending moment is 30% and shearing force is 24%. Then in pour number 3, you load in number 8 of 10,000, and his bending moment is 21,000 and shearing force is 18,000. 8%, I'm sorry, percentage. And until finally you reach the final drop of even keel of 18 meters, 23.23 centimeters, or 18.23 meters with this is your bending moments and your shearing force. So your final bending moments is 76% and your shearing force is 60%. You have even keel of 18.23 meters and your zero trim. With these bending moments and shearing force and your even keel of 18.23, this is the final cargo that you load in number 1. So take note, it should be you have a small cargo here, number 5, so that you will have a deflection of 0 or maybe 1%. But according to my computation, the deflection of this vessel is 0. So in number 9, you have 24,400 and number 1 is 22,000. So this is the actual hold wise of cargo, amount of cargo per each sold, and your bending moments and shearing force is bending moment is 76% and shearing force is 60%, and you are in even keel. But I cannot show you the deflection because there's something wrong with my lubricator. So the deflection here is should be zero or 1%, more or less. But anyway, I will show you how to load the lubricator. Since we don't have the lubricator, we will just use this one. Okay. So here, I put lubricator. So I put initial 0, meaning we have to start from 0. Okay. Then I have here a program or a sequence procedure. Since our total amount of cargo is 2,000 or 2,006, 206,200, which is total amount of cargo is 2,600, 206,200, which is 206,200, and our trimming hold is 109. The amount of cargo for trimming is 4,000. Okay, so let's go with what I have. This is just an example of how to load the lubricator. But anyway, you can make your own, but I'll just give you an idea. So our total cargo is 2,000, 206,200, okay? 206,200. It should be 200. Sorry. 6,000. I just regard this 200 just to make it a whole number. So 206,000 divided by 2, that will be 103,000. 103,000. Then with this one half of the cargo, with this 103,000, you distribute this total amount to 9 holes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 103,000 divided with 9, that will be 11,400. So instead of making it 11,444, you may round it up to 12,000. So 12,000 each for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I put here, we go to the sequence. So it says we load 12,000 for each hold. Okay, so we put 12,000. So we start with number 9, 12,000. 1, 2, 3. 12,000 here. 1, 2, 3. 12,000 here. 1, 2, 3. 12,000. 1, 2, 3. And 12,000 here. Number 4, 12,000. Number 3, 12,000. And number 2, 12,000. And number 1, 12,000. Okay. Total of 108,000. Okay. So they're all equally distributed of 12,000 each for each hold. That will be 108,000. So we have here total of 108,000. Okay. That will be, put this mark so that will not get lost. Now we go to number 2. Number 2. So 108,000 minus your total amount of 206,000, that will be 98 remaining. Okay, so with 98 remaining, divided by 2, you get one half of it, that will be 49. So this 49,000, you distribute it with 5 volts, which is 1359. So in each hole you load, make it 10,000 instead of 9,800. So 10,000 or 5 volts, that will be 50,000. So 10,000 of 13579. 10,000. So you put here 10,000. That will be 22,000. 1, 2, 3, 7. That will be 22,000. 1, 2, 3, 5 will be 22,000. 1, 2. Number 3, 22,000. And number 1, 22,000. Total of 158,000. That will be, then you have 158,000. Okay, that will be in holes 13579. Then you mark this one. We're now in number 3. So 158,000 minus your total amount of cargo, 206,000, that will be 48,000. You get the one half of 48,000, that will be 24,000. So 24,000, you distribute this to holes 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So 24 divided by 4, that will be 6,000. So 6,000 for each hole of 2, 4, 6, 8. 6,000. Okay, 6,000. You add here 6,000, that will be 18,000. 1, 2, 3. Number 4, 18,000. 1, 2, 3. 6, 18,000. 1, 2, 3. And number 7, 8. I'm sorry, 18,000. 1, 2, 3. Total of 182,000. That will be 182,000. Okay, so we go to number 4. Number 4. So total of 182,000 minus your total amount of 206,000, that will be 24,000 remaining. Get one half of this 24,000, that will be 12,000. So 12,000, distribute it to the holes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 12,000 divided by 5, that will be 2,400. So we just make it 2,000. That will be 10,000. So 2,000 additional 2,000 for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 2,000. One add numbers. So you add 2,000 here. 2,000. This will be 24,000. 1, 2, 3. 24,000. 1, 2, 3. This should be 24,000. 1, 2, 3. 24,000. 1, 2, 3. And number 1 is 24,000. 1, 2, 3. That will be total of 192,000 loaded. 192. Then we are loaded of 192,000. Mark this one. Okay. So 192,000 minus your 206,000 total cargo, you will have 14,000 remaining. You get one half of this one, which is 7,000. So 7,000 you distribute this to holds 246. So 7,000 divided by 4 is 1750. So make it 2,000 for each hold of 2468. So 2,000 for 2468. 2468. 2, that will be 20,000. 1, 2, 3. Should be 20,000. 1, 2, 3. 6 will be 20,000. 1, 2, 3. And 8. 20,000. 1, 2, 3. Total of 200,000. So your total amount here is 20,000. Okay. So you have 6,000. 6,000 more to go for completion of loading. So what you have to do, so you need 6,200 to distribute your cargo. Okay. So you have I'm sorry. That is already 2,000. So you need 6,200 to distribute. Now take note, guys. In hold number 5, the cargo is only 6,550. Meaning from hold number 5, you take out some cargo here, put it to number 1, put it to number 9, put it to number 2. Oh, this is fine. You can put it in this is number 5. You can put it number 1, put it number 3, put it in number 7, and put it in number 9. Okay? Just to get the final load of 6,550. And take note, in number 9 is 29,400. What you have here is 25. So it's either you put number 7, put it here, and number 3, put it number 1. Or number 4, put it to number 2, and number 6, put it number 8. Okay? So that's how you distribute your cargo until you reach the drop of 18.23 meters, and your deflection in your bending moments is 76%, and your shearing force is 60%, and you will have a deflection of 0 or 1%. Okay. To get a zero deflection, is just getting the amount of weight hold number 5, distribute it to number 1, or distribute it to number 9. Or you take it from number 5, distribute it to number 7, number 5, distribute it to number 3. Or number 4, you distribute this to number 2, and number 6, you distribute to number 8. Until you get the bending moments of 76%, shearing force is 60%, until you get the drop of even keel of 18.23 meters. Okay, so that's how you you play that's how you use the logicator. Okay, so take note, if you follow this figure, your sailing plan, exactly if you follow this figure, you will get this drop of even keel of 18.23 meters, and your bending moments is 76%, sharing force is 60%, and you will have zero deflection. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.